So I just received a special package from Autodesk. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see, I think I know what it is. All right. Ah, yes, the 3DCONNEXION mouse. There we go, look at that. So I'm going to do some testing here of this mouse, add it to my collection, and do some thorough testing using Autodesk products such as AutoCAD, Civil 3D, InfraWorks, vehicle tracking, maybe a little bit of Navisworks, and maybe 3ds Max and stuff like that. So, but yeah, thank you to 3DCONNEXION and also AutoCAD, Autodesk, and the Autodesk Group Network. So I'm going to give it a test today. I'm going to open. Let's go ahead and open it up. See what it looks like. All right. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. Got my little cutter here. The opening. All right. Look at this. All right, so let's see what we got in here. Oh, there's a little tab here to open it up. Nice. Got a mouse pad. Smooth mouse pad. And there we go. Here's our wireless cord. All right, and man, this is actually very heavy. Holy cow. So what we got here? It's in a case. That's nice. It's got its own case. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Should be fun and interesting. Okay, and there it is. So this is the wireless kit. Wow, this is a lot heavier than I thought it would be. Look at this. This thing has to be a pound or two. Wow, this mouse has to be like a pound or two. Just the way it feels. Pretty incredible. See here. Very nice. I've never felt a mouse this heavy. Wow. All right, let's continue on. I'll put this back over here. Let's see what we got in here. Let's see if I can open this with one hand. I should have set up my tripod. And I think this is the actual mouse that goes with it, that you're supposed to use with it. Okay. Slowly bear with me. There we go. And there it is. Let's go ahead and get it out. And then there's the 3DCONNEXION mouse that goes with it. As you can see, very nice, very light. Okay, it's about the same weight as the other gaming mouses that I have. Okay. And it is wireless. There's the USB right there. There's also a cord here. I'm assuming that's maybe a charging cord. Yes, that is a charging cord also if you wanted to be charging on there. So, but yeah, thank you for Autodesk and also 3DCONNEXION for the mouse. And I'll give it a try for the next few weeks using this product and give you some feedback. All right. Thank you.